Good afternoon everybody, Count Biker here, just leaving Whorlton Castle, and this particular video doesn't really need the bike to be involved much because we're off to Whorlton Old Church now, which is just down this road. I think the only involvement the bike will have is that it's parked over there. This is part of the Whorlton medieval village that's now gone, that I mentioned in my last video. So you can see some earthworks in the area and a little bit of a river here and there, and obviously a castle. And up here is where the old church was, that's now still used for some ceremonies and whatnot. Still consecrated ground for the graveyard that's there, but some of it now in ruins. So while we're here, since it's only a brief walk away, it'd be rude not to look, wouldn't it? Very peaceful. This is like a Suffolk Candy video, isn't it? So this must be the old church, or what's left of it. Huh. I wonder what ceremonies they do here still. I guess that end piece is still gated off with a door. It's still got a roof on it. I guess it's just this end piece that they still use. Good views out over to the North York Moors. No wind bag, the look of it, so I can't show you inside. Certainly an unusual church. I don't know a great deal about it, so Saxon church may have been here, but a late 11th century for the earliest visible bits and bobs. So that's the Whorlton Old Church. Not quite as much to drone over as the castle, but interesting old building. Right, time to head off to the bike and head home for the Eurovision Song Contest. One drink for every bad song. Won't be able to walk tomorrow. So, thanks for watching everyone. Ride safe and talk to you all again soon.